going on YouTube? Hey, so today was my lucky day. I have two rx8 engine cores, two kegs. They're both S1s, automatic, 4-port. Just wanted to show you guys. I will be picking one of these two. One has the exhaust, the other one is just empty. I will let you guys decide, because one of them is gonna be my guinea pig. This is a core. I'm gonna take everything apart. If any of you out there need any part, whatever you see in there, let me know what you need. You can have it for free. And then on the other one, just drop a comment below. Let me know what do you guys like to see, like do some porting. Of course, I'm gonna be doing full rebuild also. And then yeah, just pick one of them for full rebuild, porting, and pick the other one for whatever part you need. Either the main bowl, oil pan, sensors, the oil filter housing, timing cover, front iron, mirror iron, rear iron, the housings, rudder. Let me know what you need. Just pick one of them and then I'll let you guys have whatever you guys want. You can either pick them up local, LA, or I can ship it anywhere. Of course, it's covered the shipping. There will be no extra charge or anything. Let's see if I can show you guys how it looks. So you guys needed the flywheel, counterweight. They're both 4-port automatics. On P right there. So yeah, let me know if any of you guys need something.